Is the lockdown now imminent across Maharashtra? Sources are telling India Today that new standard operating procedures are being prepared, and this will not be a lockdown like the one last year. Sources tell India Today transport services, both intrastate and interstate, will continue. Lockdown likely to be imposed for a period of a fortnight, perhaps 15 days. It may start tomorrow till the 30th of April. Private offices will be closed. Essential services will continue to function. So all offices, all services except specified will remain shut. Schools and colleges will remain shut. Theatres, grounds, parks, gymnasiums, they'd be shut. Restaurants will only be open for home delivery. There will also be a restriction on public gathering. There's also an economic package that's being worked out for the economically weaker sections of the society. I quickly want to cut across to India Today's executive editor Sahil Joshi joining me for more on this. So Sahil, through your sources, you've got these details. Bring us more. When does this come into effect? How is this different from the lockdown last year, Sahil?
Well, Gaurav, the most important part of this new, new phase of lockdown is going to be that the transport services are not going to shut down. If you remember, last time when the lockdown was announced, the people who were wherever at that particular point, they could not move out of their the place where they were at that particular time because the transport services were shut down completely. This time, the government said that they do not want to create any kind of a panic, and that is the reason why the transport services will be open, so that if need be, you can use those transport services and can reach to a spot wherever you want to go. But only and only if it is essential that you have to come out of the house. Otherwise, the offices are going to be shut down. Only those offices who are providing for the essential services, which will be specified in the SOPs, which will be coming out by late evening today. The Chief Minister of Maharashtra is also going to address the people through the social media at around 7:30, 8 o'clock to announce that why they are going ahead with this particular lockdown. They are not going to call it a lockdown, but the stricter restrictions, what we can call it at this point of time. At the same time, the other important part is that it will come up with a opening up plan as well. So it is likely that from the 1st of May, because right now the biggest problem the Maharashtra is facing is with respect to the pressure on the medical services. Absolutely. What the government wants to do is to ease out the pressure on the medical services, and that's why these stricter measurements which the government is going to take. The SOPs will also have, the notification will also have the detailing about how they are going to enhance those medical services in the breathing time which they will be getting because of these 15 days. It is most likely to be till 30th of April. From the 1st of May,
the aim is, Sahil,
will begin.
Absolutely. The aim is to break the chain. The aim is to ensure that people do not come in contact with each other. The moment you break the chain, the pressure on hospitals and emergency services is reduced considerably. How strictly is Maharashtra? And will this be across the state, or will this be hotspot oriented? Like if a locality has more cases, this lockdown will be in those localities? Or is this going to be, for example, initially across Mumbai and other hotspots?
No, it is going to be for the rest of the state, the whole across the whole state. These guidelines will be implemented. For the simple reason is that right now the number of cases coming from the whole state itself are quite high. It is almost double than what it used to be at the time of the first wave. In the September, the Maharashtra state faced its peak with 37,000 odd cases. Today, Maharashtra is getting almost 60,000 cases per day, and that is something which are coming from literally all the districts of Maharashtra. Of course, the Mumbai has the biggest chunk. So that is the reason why this has to be in all the districts, and that's why all these SOPs and the guidelines are going to be for the whole state. The good part is that the state government has been trying to prepare people for this heavier restrictions, the stricter restrictions since last couple of days. Rajesh Tope just day before yesterday had said that the lockdown is evident, but the format of the lockdown is going to be different. The major respite for the people is that the transport services are going to be open so that people will not be stranded at the place wherever they are. In fact, if they want to move around for a particular reason, for a reason which is important, they can use those public transport. So that is something which is going to be a good thing for the people, that they will not be stranded. Another important point, Gaurav, in these SOPs are going to be that there can be a economic package for the weaker section, basically
Yes.
for the people like the workers working in the construction industry. It may not be through money, but it may be in kind. Maybe they will be given some kind of money as advance, but those details we'll have to see in the SOP, which will be coming up by tonight, because the Chief Minister is also going to announce it officially in the evening through the social media. So obviously we'll have to wait for the notification. Till then, this is what the notification is almost prepared. The
Sahil,
SOPs are almost prepared.
Stay with me for a moment. So Aslam Sheikh, Maharashtra minister, he made one thing very clear, that restrictions are coming. There could well be a lockdown. The nature of this lockdown will be different from what we saw last year. Let's listen into Aslam Sheikh. Sahil is getting us more details on this major development.
पिछले 2 हफ्ते से जो है सरकार बहुत सारी बैठकें ली, विरोधी पक्ष के साथ ली, सारे व्यापारियों के साथ ली, सारे जो एसोसिएशन है उनके साथ ली, सारे जो डॉक्टर्स के एक्सपर्टाइज है उनके साथ ली, और ये अलग अलग तरीके से हमने जो है प्रतिबंध इस राज्य में लाने का शुरू किया, मुंबई शहर में लाने का शुरू किया, लेकिन कहीं भी ये चेन जो है टूटते दिखाई नहीं दे रही है और लोगों की जो है संख्या पेशेंट्स की बढ़ते जा रही है। तो कहीं ना कहीं ये चेन टूटना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इसलिए सरकार जो है अब ये कुछ ही घंटों में मैं कह सकता हूँ कि एक कड़क जो है ब्रेक द चेन करके कुछ नई कड़क SOP लाएगी, जिससे जो है महाराष्ट्र और मुंबई में लोगों को उसका पालन करना होगा।
Kadak lockdown, that's the term being used by the Maharashtra minister. The aim is to break the chain. Extremely essential at this point of time. Sahil, last year we saw mass migration of laborers or daily wagers and people who were moving back to their home state. Is something being done to ensure that that mass movement does not take place, or is that gradually already happening? There is no last minute panic this time.
Gaurav, the basic difference between, as I've been saying since beginning, that the basic difference between the lockdown last year and the lockdown this time is going to be that availability of the transport services. If you remember, last time what happened is that even after 21 days, there was no opening up in the horizon. So the people who were stranded could not move out of their houses because even the local trains, even any other transport services were not open. So they started on their foot and moving towards their villages in UP or Bihar. This time, the transport services are going to be open. And as we have been seeing since last week, because the government is been giving enough indications that there is going to be a lockdown. There is already a night curfew across the state. There was a weekend lockdown already existing. So we have seen that a lot of people, especially the migrants from Mumbai, Pune, and other industrial areas in Maharashtra. Maharashtra is a heavily urbanized state because of the industrialization. So most of these places, we have already seen that the people were flooded in the trains, and they were moving towards the villages in UP, Bihar, and the northern Maharashtra. So this time nobody will be stranded at their houses. If for any essential need, if for anything they have to move out, they can move out. They will have the transport services available to move out. It's just that they will not be able to gather in public. They will not be able to have any kind of a congregation. There cannot be any kind of crowding. because the offices will be closed. So there will not be any specific need to come out. Only and only if there is an essential need, they will have to come out. So that is something which is going to be different. Of course, the lockdown is going to hit the people who runs, small businesses,
Yes.
the MSMEs, the traders, and all these people. That is going to be a problem. But right now, what the government is thinking that this is going to be a short term. That is only for the 15 days.
Okay.
And they are saying
Extremely
that if they
essential,
are
Sahil.
able to take out the pressure from the medical services,
Absolutely.
from 1st May, the opening up will begin.
Okay. Sahil and his team will track the story very, very closely. The aim is to break the chain. The aim is to ensure that people don't come in contact with each other and they don't spread the virus any further. Will this succeed or not remains on how strictly this lockdown is